In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable email forwarding in Gmail. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. If email forwarding is currently active, you may see a red notification bar at the top of your inbox saying that your emails are being forwarded to another address. To turn it off, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the quick settings panel, click See All Settings. At the top navigation menu, click the forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. In the forwarding section, select the radio button for disable forwarding. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button. After the page refreshes, return to your inbox and confirm that the notification at the top stating that your emails are being forwarded has disappeared. Email forwarding is now disabled on your account. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.